Every once in a while, there comes a car that sets new benchmarks. One that redefines the segment. One that leaves competitors scratching their heads trying to somehow match up to it. Launched in July 2015, the Hyundai Creta is a prime example, having notched up sales of over 4 lakh units, which goes to show just how much Indian buyers love the SUV. Now though, it's time to add a new chapter to the Creta story. Time for the perfect SUV to evolve into the ultimate SUV. It's time to welcome the all-new Hyundai Creta. The 2020 Auto Expo gave us a first look at the new Creta, and we've already seen how it looks and what it's like on the inside. But how does it all come together? Hyundai was kind enough to let us behind the scenes and walk us through the genesis of the SUV. Hyundai's production facility located in Sriperumbudur, Tamil Nadu has been manufacturing vehicles for over 23 years now. From 4 minutes per car in the beginning in 1998, the plant currently churns out a car every 33 seconds. And the latest addition to that number is the all-new Creta. The structure of the Hyundai Creta, or most cars for that matter, starts off with blank metal sheets that go through the press shop and come out of the other side as body panels. Cumulatively, 5,400 tons of pressure is exerted to form body panels from sheet metal. In all, coils weighing 395 tons are transformed into Hyundai vehicles every single day, including the Creta. The panels then move on to the body shop, where they come together to form the superstructure. Fully automated, the body shop at Hyundai's production facility boasts 100% weld automation. These panels form the superstructure of the Creta, one that has been engineered to incorporate 74.3% high-strength steel. Once the superstructure or body in white is ready, it is taken for inspection. It undergoes 3D scanning precision checking. Over 1200 points are inspected, including panel gaps and mounting points, to maintain the highest quality standards. The engine assembly is where the powertrain comes together. The Creta is being offered with 3 engine options: a 1.5-litre petrol, a 1.5-litre diesel and a 1.4-litre turbo petrol, and all 3 are available with automatic transmission options. Hyundai's engine assembly area packs in 684 CNC machines and boasts thorough inspection processes to ensure each unit has the finest quality possible. Assembly shop is where everything comes together and the Creta assumes its final form. The interior trim, engine, transmission, suspension setup are all brought together via a combination of highly skilled employees working with state-of-the-art machines. This is also where the Creta receives all those class-leading features that has everyone talking. But before the car can be shipped to dealers to reach buyers, there are a few hurdles that need to be cleared. Every car has to undergo road testing through 17 drive tracks mimicking various driving conditions. Then comes the shower test that simulates rain pressure that exceeds the heaviest recorded monsoon. And finally, there is PDI, or pre-delivery inspection, where the car is checked on 150 to 200 parameters before being given an OK and sent for dispatch. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon to never miss a video from AutoToday.